Welcome to Pure Lava Coffee Valley. So ito try natin yung mga coffee nila. Meron sila dito.
And then, yeah, later after the real one.
Ah, ito ang coffee nila.
This sample from the poop.
From the poop?
Yes, but this not clean.
Cutting it. Why you cutting?
Yeah, this not clean. We have to clean.
First?
We washing the hot water and then we dry the sun until like that.
Ah, okay.
And then we have to ground it until the skin out. We just fill the bean inside.
Oh,
The
okay.
bean inside 100% clean. Because doesn't have contact with the poop. So don't you worry if you drink luwak coffee, yeah. And then the bean inside that we washing again, we dry, will be clean like that. This is the clean one.
Yeah. Ah, wow.
After clean, we have to roasting. Roasting coffee around 45 minutes.
Rusting.
Yeah, it's alright because most of us
Ah, parang niluluto na siya. Ginigisa. Yung processing. And
Masarap, masarap. Nice.
ah, yeah. From poop to ano ha, to wow.
Regular one. For the luwak na to, you can smell it.
Ayan, ginigisa niya na po.
Didian.
For 45 minutes.
And then
Hanggang sa
here
mga
we
siya.
grind it. See?
Ah, okay. Ito na. Dinudurog.
Swarbe, when swarbe. Put here. And the last one we filter. It's final process. We do all manual, all by hand.
Manual.
Yes.
Ah, no machine.
No. Look at mulai ya. Lemon, clove,
Ginger,
ya ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg, cardamom, ginger, turmeric, and lemongrass.
Lemongrass.
That's all for cooking and for herbal tea.
Ah, kaya marami silang tanglad. Eh di walang lamok dito.
Very animal.
There are a lot of animals. Oh yeah. Oh, si
one.
Desa pala yan. Desa yan. Si Desa yan.
sample.
May mga panabong sila rito. Oh, mga
So yung
bantay.
luwak, anong poop?
This year we have just two, just for sample, for sure.
So siya yung kakain ng beans, tapos yung poop niya, yung gagawing kape. Ah, so ikaw ang dahilan, kaya merong kape. Musang. Marami yan sa Pilipinas. Chismosang. Hi, dalawa sila. Anong tawag sa kanila? Ha? Luwak. Luwak. Musang.
Musang sa atin, oh. Si Ben sa Palawan.
Diba? Sila yung kumakain ng beans tapos pag pinupo na nila, yun ang gagawing kape. Galing! Paakyat dito naman daw namin masusubukan yung kape. Wow!
This one mangosteen tree.
The mangosteen tree. Okay.
Wait ya. Dek, belos na dek. Alang lahat.
So these are their coffee.
Wait.
Ah, okay. It's okay. So iba-iba yung ano nila.
Yeah.
You have different Bali coffee.
This luwak coffee.
Ah, this is the luwak.
Luwak. You can smell. Wait, my mom, yeah, this way. Tissue.
They have mocha coffee. Ah, mga avocado coffee.
Pure coco.
Ginger is good, yes. Coconut, the vanilla. Ang dami nila oh.
Iba-iba yung
Yeah.
nila ng coffee.
This coffee luwak. Smell. Less caffeine. Less caffeine.
Ang bango nga. Ang sarap nga
Parang Americano.
Parang hindi siya pupo.
Nandito.
Yan. So this is the luwak coffee.
Yes.
Here for 1 cup.
Sabi ng
Something like
So this is 60,000 rupiah. per cup. Sa peso, 200 plus. Kasi yung process niya rin talaga, napakahirap. Napakahirap
Ikaw na kaya
ilabas.
kumain, no?
Oo, tapos ganun kape. Para lang maging kape. Ayan na. Yes. Try na niya. Straight. Bottoms up. Ha? Kape pala yun. Para malaman natin.
Hindi, sige. 60,000.
Only pure low, no sugar. Ah, that's good. Masarap
Para
siya.
siyang ano, yung sa Batam.
Yeah, oo, I love it. Let's try. Batam. Pag hindi ka pa matanda,
This
Batam
one,
ka.
Bali coffee. Yeah, for compare, yeah.
Bali coffee is free?
Yes, but I make one share, okay? Contestant.
One for all?
One big cup. We has. Yeah, for
One big cup, they charge.
Oh no, it's
Masarap
small,
siya.
small only. Small.
Sarap
this
nga.
one, Bali coffee.
Yes.
Ikaw, Bali coffee?
You want Bali?
Malasa.
Bali coffee.
Ito yung kape na, ito rin yung kape na gusto ko sa Pilipinas. Yung parang wala talagang, yung kape talaga. Walang sugar, walang cream.
Picture. Hinggang makabalik.
Ano sa'yo?
Bali coffee.
Balik coffee.
Sa atin yung amoy.
Sige nga, tikman mo, Rodessa.
Coconut coffee. Coconut coffee.
No, me Bali coffee only. Bali coffee.
How is it?
Just this.
The taste lang.
Yung black? Yung pure, yung stick?
If you like, you can buy in the shop, yeah? For me.
And me.
This coconut picture.
Sa'yo, Drew. Ano yung sa inyo, Drew?
You test?
Test.
Yeah.
Na,
Just put there.
Chocolate siya.
para siyang,
Nati siya nati.
Nati. Ito no.
Ganda naman taste.
oo. Kasi ang road trippers,
Yung ano, yung
Bali.
lalaki na.
What's this?
Coconut
Guys.
coffee. Can
This for
test.
sharing?
Bili
Yes.
tayong madami.
This lemongrass tea.
mas gusto ko si
Luwak.
Mas gusto ko si Luwak.
Saan nga? Saan coconut na to?
Kaysa
Coconut
dito.
nice.
Creamy. Sarap. Kasi
Right share, yeah.
Hindi, totoo. Mas gusto ko yung lasa.
Lemongrass tea. Lemongrass tea. For blood circulation.
parang
Hindi. Yung stick.
Parang malasama.
Mangosteen.
Diba, no?
Parang white taste.
Yan naman. Coconut.
Bali.
Coconut yan. Coffee sa creamy.
Dapat may asukal.
Kasi cream.
Mangosteen
parang
tea.
yung kopi ko blanca sa atin.
Naghalo. Hindi kayo mas lalo tayo magsabay-sabay sa CR nito. Sabay-sabay nilinis yung bitok.
Kaya nga after nito sa hotel na talaga tayo parang kung datnan man.
Ito mas tolerable.
Yung lasa.
Bali coffee.
I want to taste the
Dito ko sa luwa kasi pinaghirapan.
Ayan o, naka-Drew.
Ito dalawa pares Bali coffee to.
Tea.
Ayan, kay Van daw. Ano yan, Ella?
Makapal sa
Parang ano, parang tao. Oo.
Oo, window.
Ito naman ay
Ito ginger.
mangosteen. Oo nga, para siyang yung ano, yung grapes natin noon, yung sun-kissed, no, grapes.
Ito lemon.
Mm.
Talaga yun.
Yung sun-kissed na grapes na nasa bote na babasagin dati.
Itutunaw.
Yes, di ba?
Ilang galon na
Oo.
Yung sanis.
Mangosteen to, ang sarap ha.
May asukal.
Is this also pure? Mangosteen?
Yeah, mangosteen with honey.
Ah, we add, that's why.
Sugar.
Ginger. Good for the ginger.
Good.
Yes.
Uy, mauubos ko yun.
Tingnan mo.
Yan, ang daming pinapretay sa amin ni ate.
Kasi
Mocha.
sorry.
Try mocha.
They also have turmeric. Oh. What is the blue, Downy?
This one butterfly.
Downy isang balo. No, I'm just asking.
No.
Ay, sarap ng mocha. Ovaltinis.
Tea. Butterfly.
Pity.
Ha? Butterfly?
No butterfly animal. This flower.
Ah, flower.
Yung kulay blue na ano.
Yung parang nag-violet.
Rosella.
Ah, oo, ginagawa rin herbal yun eh. Yeah. Ayan.
Iba na yung lemon.
Oo. That is the, ano,
This Rosella.
Rosella.
Ah, nagsusunod siya.
That's the
Gomamela.
Ito ang mangosteen. That is, ito yung blue. Ken.
Which one do you like?
Ito yung bulaklak na parang blue violet. Na kapag masakit daw ang tiyan mo o puson. Yes, oo.
Yung kina Tita Rosie.
Oo, amoy pa lang, oh. Bango na.
Sarap.
Gusto mo ng tang.
Uy, matamis din. Because of the honey.
Kung nga pala.
Parang sugar
Sarap. And ito naman na yung kanilang store. Hi! This is where you can buy
This Bali coffee, this black coffee.
Arabica. Okay. Different kinds of coffee.